why should we have a virtual Bhumi Pujan? Why should we listen to you? Tell me.
Yeah, Arnab, first of all, you should understand that this Ram Janmabhoomi issue is very close to every Indian. The Ram resides in the heart of every Indian. Shri Ram is in our DNA. No one can separate us from Shri Ram. One. Second, thanks to Supreme Court, because of Supreme Court, today this Ram Mandir is getting built. Now you said the Sharad Pawar's statement. Now it is a matter of interpretation. You must understand that today's situation, the entire country is in the clutches of coronavirus. Our economy has totally derailed. Today, the entire country is facing the havoc of flood, and the neighboring China is encouraging in Galwan city. Today, the government of India should give priority. The priority is Corona. To fight with Corona, because Prime Minister said it himself just a couple of days back, कि अभी तक संकट टला नहीं है. अभी तक संकट टला नहीं है. शुरुआती दौर में, Arnab, you know, to reach 50,000 patients of Corona in India, it took 1.5 months to 2 months. And today, every day 50,000 cases are coming up of Corona patients. So today, the country's priority, all the state government priorities, is to fight with COVID and getting economy on the track. Now, as far as Uddhav Thackeray is concerned and the virtual Bhumi Pujan is concerned, now Uddhav Thackeray, the Ram Janmabhoomi issue is very close to Uddhav Thackeray, Bal Thackeray. Uddhav has visited twice, before taking the oath as a chief minister and after the oath of chief minister. And what we have to say, that we want the Ram temple has to be built in a very elaborate manner.
Narendra, you are taking a long time to answer. Narendra, listen to me. Listen to me now. Now, listen to me. Narendra, now. You know, you are not allowing an intervention. This is not right. I remind you, I am very curious to know, because I assure every viewer of Republic that I will do non-stop live broadcast of the Bhumi Pujan ceremony. I assure every viewer of Republic, I will send as many crews, reporters for live coverage as possible. But I don't understand.
Right.
मैं तो non-stop coverage करूँगा. Republic Bharat and Republic TV will do non-stop coverage. मुझे किसी को खुश नहीं करना है. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आप किसकी appeasement करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Who are you trying to appease?
We are not.
By trying to create obstacles in the Ram Mandir Bhumi Pujan, you are doing some appeasement. You tell me, are you trying to appease Owaisi? क्या आप ओवैसी को appease करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
No, we are not trying to appease any community. On the contrary, BJP has been trying years to appease Hindu community.
So Hindu community is being appeased. Okay. So Nupur, he's saying that by having the Ram Mandir Bhumi Pujan by Narendra Modi, BJP is trying to do Hindu appeasement. यही सुनना बाकी था. So Supreme Court also did Hindu appeasement.
Don't misinterpret me.
Unbelievable, viewers.
I don't want to scream over anybody.
Unbelievable.
I don't want to scream over anybody, but I should be allowed to make a few factual points, please.
We have to only say that at this juncture, we should give priority.
Corona menace, this pandemic.
Can I now?
No, I've had enough of this rubbish. I have heard this. I have heard this, Narendra ji. Now
this point is being repeated. This point is being repeated. Now, Arnab, it's a little strange and a bit rich that those political parties which are running the state with the maximum number of coronavirus cases, although during the complete lockdown they were busy issuing special VVIP passes to business families like Vadhavans of Mumbai. These are the people today pontificating, we are facing a coronavirus crisis while the unlock period. Please allow me to complete my point, sir. I was not speaking over you. Please allow me to complete my points. Secondly, and most importantly, to make a sweeping generalization that every Indian in this country wants to see Ram Janmabhoomi. Well, I'm sorry, if every Indian wanted to see Ram Janmabhoomi, then why was Kapil Sibal opposing the construction?
Allow
me to complete, sir. Allow me to complete. Why did Saket Gokhale, allow me to complete, why did Saket Gokhale petition the Allahabad High Court to delay Bhumi Pujan? You know that Bhumi Pujan is an intrinsic part of construction of any building. And you know that even in an office or a studio or any building, first uski neev rakhi jati hai jo Bhumi Pujan se shuru hoti hai. Third and most importantly, and I'm going to ask you this, now please listen to what I have to say carefully. This entire drama ke e-puja karo. Anyway, when Allahabad High Court very popularly and very famously dismissed Saket Gokhale's petition, they very heavily came down that your entire petition is based on assumptions. Because no court ruling today says that construction of any place, forget any office, even a religious place should not be stopped during the unlock period. So my only question to you is, what is your vested interest in stopping? Now you say that BJP, which is a proponent of Ram Janmabhoomi and Ram Mandir construction, you say we are only pandering to Hindu lobby. Yet you say every Indian wants construction of Ram Mandir. You decide yourself whether every Indian is for construction or only BJP is for construction.
And another
because
question
currently
for
are
you.
opposing.
Another question.